Demystifying bailout. What does it mean? Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a term you might have come across in news or finance-related discussions: bailout. This phrase can sometimes be confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Bailout is a term often used in finance and economics. At its core, a bailout refers to providing financial assistance to a person, organization, or country that is in severe financial difficulty. This assistance often prevents bankruptcy or a larger economic collapse. For example, imagine a big company is about to go bankrupt, but the government steps in and gives them money to keep them afloat. That act of giving money is a bailout. Bailouts are typically given when the failure of an institution could have larger repercussions on the overall economy. For instance, if a massive bank fails, it might lead to a domino effect, causing other banks or financial institutions to fail. To prevent this widespread crisis, a government might choose to bail out that bank. In another scenario, a country's government might be unable to pay its debts. Other countries or international institutions might offer a bailout to stabilize the struggling country and, by extension, the global economy. To help you grasp the concept even better, let's look at a few sentences where bailout is used. 1. The government decided to bail out the struggling airline to save thousands of jobs. 2. Many citizens were against the bank's bailout as they believed it rewarded poor financial decisions. 3. The international community discussed a potential bailout package for the debt-ridden country. Understanding synonyms or related terms can often cement your grasp on a word. Here are a few terms related to bailout. Rescue package, another term for financial assistance given in dire situations. Financial lifeline, a metaphorical way of expressing crucial financial help. Economic relief, aid given to alleviate financial stress. So there you have it. Now you not only know what a bailout is but also why it might happen and how to use it in sentences. It's an essential term, especially if you're interested in global events or finance. We hope this video cleared any doubts and enriched your vocabulary. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.